Applied kinesiology. Kinesiology, also known as biomechanics, is the study of body movement. Applied kinesiology, or AK, which is also known as muscle strength testing, is a method of diagnosis and treatment based on the belief that various muscles are linked to particular organs and glands, and that specific muscle weakness can signal distant internal problems such as nerve damage, reduced blood supply, chemical imbalances, or other organ or gland problems. Practitioners contend that by correcting this muscle weakness, you can help heal a problem in the associated internal organ. It can also be used in emotional healing, when choosing supplements, determining food intolerances and immune mismatches, and much more. There are a few benefits to applied kinesiology. Kinesiology and muscle monitoring is great for people of all ages and beliefs, so there's no spiritual or religious affiliations. There's also several other benefits that I listed before. There's a prerequisite to using applied kinesiology. Not all humans have the capacity to do energetic or muscle testing. It has to do with each person's level of intention and level of consciousness. The level of consciousness simply refers to the state of aliveness and the general energy and intention that one carries around. If your general intention is to help others, to serve, to support others, to participate in life, to learn more about yourself, and to realize who and what you really are, then this is a good and uplifting state of energetic intention. On the other hand, if your general energy and intention is to take as much as you can get, to compete, defeat others, to be better than others, to prove others wrong, to drown oneself in sensual pleasures, to seek revenge and project anger and fear out into the world, then these types of intentions are more likely to be expressing a lower level of consciousness, and they are therefore non-conducive to accurate energy testing. To bring the level of consciousness and general energy field up to a healthy and beneficial state, simply surround yourself with natural beauty, nature, the arts, living a moral life. By that I mean one is in the energy field of intention that is here to support life and not to destroy it. Tame the senses, release guilt, give up revenge, work to serve others, and purify the mind. Here are a few applied kinesiology technique instructions. If you want to try muscle testing yourself, there are a few simple techniques you can try at home. The first one I will describe is using your whole body as an indicator for stress. For example, if you're at home, pick up a piece of fruit and see if your body sways forward or backwards. It's usually a subtle movement, but if it is advantageous for the body to eat the fruit right now, the body will sway forward. If it's not good for the body now, it will stay backward. Or if you're wondering how to muscle test yourself for supplements, another example using the same method is if you are standing in front of different supplement or vitamin bottles and you can't decide which brand to purchase, hold the bottles near your stomach and notice which way the body sways. It's a great way to determine which one is best for your body. A single hand muscle testing technique you can use is to touch the tips of your index finger and thumb together, forming a circle. Then use the other hand's thumb and index finger to see if you can break the connection. A positive response is when you can't break the connection, and a negative response is when you can. It can take a bit of practice to get the pressure right, but it is quite effective. The last method you can try is to hold your arms straight ahead of you and ask yourself a question. If the arm stays strong, the answer is a positive or a yes. If the arm wants to drop, the answer is a negative or a no. Of course, you could get a sore arm doing this if you try to ask it too many questions, and then the arm will naturally want to drop.